since I never drive interstate, I wanted to do a quick video of what I'm getting doing 70, 75 miles. I've got it on cruise at 70 right now, and I'm almost at the end of this 50-mile fuel economy MPG. Right now it's reading 22 miles to the gallon. I think that's pretty fantastic. Again, that's with the DFM off, and that's with the true dual exhaust on it, and with the cold air in tank. If I still had the DFM on, I think I'd be pushing 25 miles to the gallon, because it dropped about 3 when I shut that off with the Pulsar LT. But still going 70 miles an hour, 75 miles an hour, I think 22 miles to the gallon for a 6.2 liter is pretty phenomenal. And also with that drone, if anybody's wondering what that X pipe, there's really no drone. The RPM pretty much sits at 1500, and you obviously can hear it, but it's not at a nuisance.